Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to get a Hello Kitty carpet in Barry Avenue. First, you will want to pinpoint the exact location of specialty home goods stores along Barry Avenue. Many unique shops are nestled there, offering a variety of themed decor. It is wise to check their online presence or call ahead to confirm they stock Hello Kitty carpets. This initial step saves you time and ensures a successful shopping trip. Once on Barry Avenue, begin your search for the perfect store. Many establishments specialize in unique home furnishings. Look for shops with vibrant window displays or those advertising novelty items. A good strategy is to start near the intersection of Barry Avenue and Main Street, as this area often hosts several boutique retailers. Don't hesitate to ask employees in other stores for directions. They often know the local businesses well. Inside the store, you will find various Hello Kitty carpet options. Take your time to browse the different sizes, from small accent rugs of about 2 feet by 3 feet to larger area carpets measuring 5 feet by 7 feet. Feel the material to ensure it meets your comfort and durability expectations. Some carpets might feature classic designs, while others offer more modern interpretations. Choose one that perfectly complements your personal style and space. After selecting your ideal Hello Kitty carpet, head to the checkout. The friendly staff will assist you with your purchase. If you've chosen a larger carpet, perhaps one measuring 6 feet by 9 feet, consider asking about local delivery options, which some stores provide for a small fee. Otherwise, ensure you have adequate space in your vehicle or a sturdy bag for smaller rugs. You are now ready to bring your delightful new Hello Kitty carpet home.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.